Just in, direct off the last lady owner, absolutely beautiful Nissan Qashqai Acenta dci 1.5 diesel. Finished this absolutely beautiful storm white metallic. It is a gorgeous colour. Great value for money. Registered in December 2017 on a 67 plate. The last owner bought it with just nominal mileage, pre-registered vehicle, so they've owned it from almost brand new. Full service history. We've just carried out a full service on the vehicle. It is gorgeous. 110 brake horsepower. Claimed miles per gallon by Nissan 74.3 combined. Wow. Incredible miles per gallon. Lovely car. Let's take you all the way around it. Just look at that colour. It's beautiful. Rear parking sensors. Great size boot, nice and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. Got additional storage just under there. Toolkit all there complete. The car's totally unmarked all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. All the wheels in great condition. None of these have been curbed, no damage to these. Not been refurbished, this is how the car came in. We've just fitted two brand new matching tyres, Continental tyres to the front. So front and rear parking sensors. Again, all the body work absolutely beautiful all across the front. Again, we did the videos to show exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing's left to chance. Giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. And many customers do that. They buy it unseen purely from our videos, our descriptions and our reviews. All the trims totally unmarked, no damage. Lots of legroom in there. Again, the rear seats, the trims totally unmarked. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Rear centre armrest with a couple of cup holders in there. Again, all the front trims, great condition, electric windows, electric mirrors, got folding mirrors too. Again, the condition of the driver's seat, totally unmarked, no undue wear. Mileage of just 28,525. That's all it's done. 28,525. 2017 car. Extremely low mileage. Again, all the trims inside, the headlinings, all in great condition. Very popular, the Qashqais. Easy access to get in and out of the vehicle. Great stereo, DAB radio, media input, Bluetooth phone connection, dual zone climate control, auto hold facility, auto brake release, 6-speed manual gearbox, various stereo functions on the steering wheel with the leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, all at your fingertips. You've got lane assist, and the folding mirrors. What a beautiful car. Only 28,000 miles. Great value for money, very, very popular cars. This one is absolutely beautiful condition. Centre armrest, USB aux input. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Finance available direct from ourselves, HP or PCP. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. Apply direct off our website, quick and easy. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can click and collect this vehicle direct from our offices in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, ask about home delivery. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.